It's 2 minutes. $11-point lead on Central. This is our first semifinal match, semifinal game. Now Romero. Fake, 40 to shoot. Too strong. Tap by Julian. Now Modric. Modric to jabs, right jabs, yes, all jabs. 13 to 20. Back to 7-point lead on Central. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Now Pinitante. 40 to shoot.
3 seconds in the paint. Come on.
10.
3 seconds. Oh, he tried to
Air
rip.
ball. Now Julian. Same ball, 18 shoot, 18, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Modric, Julian, corner pocket, air ball, rebound by Romero. Romero to Tumbanwa, back to Romero. Romero, yes on Romero, 22 against 213. Back to 9-point lead on Central. It's 45 seconds. Julian. Cardinal Penetrante. Jumps. Foul. Foul on number 32 Penetrante. Second team foul on Central. Person Penetrante. 39 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Tubumbanwa. 13 foul on Central.
May isa pa tayo pulse to give, ha? Ay.
35 seconds, 35.
May isa pa tayo pulse to give. May isa pa. Wala mo nang bigay. Tinawagan.
Yes, on
Last shot.
Modric, 25 seconds.
Last shot tayo, last shot.
It's 16 against 22.
Because of 10 to shoot.
14. 10 to shoot. 5. 3 2 seconds, 2. Foul on number 32 on Sapo. Basket count and 1, 24-16. 2 seconds, 2.
Wala tayo bigay. 2 seconds na. One more in.
25-16, 9-point lead on Rim Central. And now our first quarter, our score, 25 against 60.
Grabe yung men!
Excuse me.
This is our semi-final match, semi-final game. Our do or die game. Alba. Pass to Tiruel. To Tonton.
Let's go, man! Huwag ka dyan!
Tiruel. Oh! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Tiruel. Now 25-19.
Number ano po yun? 33?
Now Pasha. Fake. Nice defense. 14 to shoot. 14.
Babasa masano pre. Babasa masano.
This is our semi-final match, semi-final game. First game. It's Panthers against Rim Central. Sir Manalo, too strong. Iban by Tong. Tong. Oh, too strong. It's turnover against Panthers. It's 9 minutes. 9 Now, Sir Manalo. Isole. The muscle man, Pangilinan, in and out, top. Rebound on Teruel.
Likod!
Teruel to Tuon.
Kabagan sila, kabagan! Pina naman, oh!
Short. Rebound by Demon. Oh! St. Joseph. Pass to Sir Manalo. Sir Manalo sa isa. Pass to the muscle man. Block. Behind. Isole. 14 to shoot. 14. Nice defense against Panthers.
Kunin mo yung bola! May babawin mo yung mapapagod agad yan eh!
It's 8 minutes and 26 seconds.
Tell him to go down, no? He will get tired. No. I'll see you. Taking the ball.
Now Alba. Yes, it's goal! 21-25, 4-point lead now. Against Central, 8 minutes.
Bago tayo defense sa Brad, bilang.
St. Joseph. Pass to Sir Manalo. Side step. Block by Sir Demon. Now Teruel. 1-2. Double D1. Time out against Central.
Sa inyo, huwag kayo sumalaksa. Gitna kayo eh. Basta pa din sa larong nila eh. Lamang tayo! Corner!
Basya. Too strong.
Dos tres!
Now Teruel.
In the middle, kote!
Tuon. Oh! Bang! Oh! Tuon. Now 25-24. 1 point lead now on Central at 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Manalo to St. Joseph. St. Joseph, hey! In and out. Oh, technical foul. Technical foul against the number 2 on Paro. Technical free throw shot given by Sir Manalo. It's 7 minutes and 11 seconds.
Counted po, ang technical, counted na personal. Naka-first na siya.
First personnel foul on number 2 on Paro. It's
Rep, ano yung rep sa harap mo? One big spot yun! Good pass!
yes, that's wrong. 26 and 25.
Rep! Paano siya may arte? Hoy, kinakausap ka! Hoy! Saglit. Pre, kinakausap ka lang. Ginawa mo agad. Hindi ba pwede ano?
Warning on Sir Manalo. 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
Okay, sige na, okay na.
6 minutes and 50 seconds. 26. It's 26-25. 1 point lead on Panthers. Isole to St. Joseph. Back to Sole. Sir Manalo. Big drive. Sir Manalo drive. Goes to goals. Pass to... Oh, the muscle man. Pangilinan. Now 27-26. Back to 1 point lead on Central. This is the semi-final match. Semi-final game. Central against Panthers. Now Sir Demon. Alba. Looking for Sir Demon. Sir Demon drive. Escape. To Paro. Shot. Rebound on the muscle man. Pangilinan. To Sir Manalo. It's 1-1 by Ton. Sir Manalo. Stop. Pump. Pull out jump. Too strong. Rebound by Sole. Sole again. Nice drive. Sole foul. Foul on number 30 on Tuon. First on Tuon. First team foul on Panthers. 2 free throw shot. Second team foul against Panthers. First on Tuon.
Take time.
It's 27-26. 1 point lead on Rim Central. Inbound on Faro. 6 minutes.
Harasin mo na, pre. Harasin mo.
Now Alba. Let's go. Alba. Guard by Sole. Foul. Foul on number 12. Minusole holding foul on number 12. Minusole. First on Minusole. First team foul on Central.
Angat.
Teruel to Alba. Alba. 10 to shoot. 10. Rebound by Pasha to St. Joseph. It's 4 on 2. Robert Malaysia going. Robert Malaysia on the masterman Pangilinan.
Hayaan mo na, tatawagan nila yun.
Good call.
It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Paru. Pass to Devon. Fake. Devon dive. Foul. Foul on number 15 on Pasha. First personal foul against Pasha. Second team foul against Central.
Pre, harap ka, pre. Del. Harapan mo na, yun, oh. Push him, bro. Push him. Kick his ass. Push him.
Paru. Rebound on top. Sir Manalo. Now on Sir Manalo.
Come on now.
Foul. Foul on Teruel. Third team foul on Panthers. First against Teruel. It's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Simonalo again. 10 to shoot. Rebound on Tuon. Tuon. Now Alba. Tuon. Wow. Foul on number 12 on Isole. Second personal foul on Isole. Third team foul against Central. It's 4 minutes and 43 seconds. 27 against the 26. 1 point lead on Central.
Shoot there. Okay, take your time. James, ikaw si
Take your time.
Air ball. Violation.
Pero kung kaya mo,
Come on, yo.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Hey, come on.
kung kayo, oh.
Now Isole. Pasha. Too strong. Rebound on Paru. Paru now. Sending away. Paru. To Alba. Teruel. It's Central ball. 4 minutes and 15.
Tol, hindi ka nakikita dito ka.
Now Isole.
Nakayuko yung kalaban, oh. Nakayuko.
Pasha. Steal by Paru. To Alba. Tol. Short. Yes, and goal. Now 28-27. Back to 1 point lead on Panthers. It's 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Pare, gising.
Isole. Bang! 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 On St. Joseph. Now 30 against 228. 2 point lead now on Central. 14 to shoot. Steal by Sole. Now St. Joseph. It's still one. Short again. Rebound on Paru. Paru to the third one. Back to Teruel. Yes, and Teruel. Now 30 all. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Now it's Sole. Still open. It's 2-1. Teruel, pass to Alba. Yes, and Alba, 32. 2-30. 2-point lead now on Panthers.
Yes.
Still again on Teruel, nice defense, Alba, basket down and one on Alba. Time out on bonus free throw on Alba. It's 34 against 230.
Round.
It's Sole.
Baba mo lang. Set.
Rebound by Don. Teruel, still one. Alba. Yes, on Alba, 36 against the 30. Bang! Oh, St. Joseph. 36 to 33, back to 3-point lead on Central, our Panthers.
Kunin mo, pre, maagawan yan.
Now, Alba.
Tol, ang mata mo na, Tol.
10 shoot.
Tira! Pas lang! Pas kamay!
High.
Pas kamay! Tayo na kamay na yan! Kamay!
Bang! On Central.
We need a ref. He ain't calling shit.
It's 36 all.
Pas lang!
Goal. Foul.
Ang nipis, rep!
Foul on Pasha.
Sige.
Now, Central on penalty. Second personal foul on Pasha. Penalty rep, penalty.
Sep! Okay! Tira mo na yun. Sep, sa court, tira mo na. I-back shot nyo na. Come on, man!
36 all, 36.
Tagalog dito. Anong Tagalog doon? Anong Tagalog?
Come on.
Halika, pre! Oh, come on, man! Hey! Let's go! Mo!
Now, Sir Manalo. Alba.
Wala! Okay!
Black.
Okay, man!
Now, Sir Manalo. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Sir Demon. Warning for penalty on Panthers. It's 54 seconds. First personal foul against Sir Demon.
Ten! Stop mo na lang! Yan, sin mo! Bang! Again!
40 seconds.
Saklo! Good!
Violation going. 28 seconds, 28. Foul.
Technical tayo, verbal altercation, technical.
I'll make sure you all get deported back to the Philippines. I'll make sure. Stop, bro. Stop.
16 seconds, 16. 1 point lead, all Panthers. Sixteen seconds, 16. Pasha. 10 seconds. 5. 3 seconds, 3. And now our second quarter score, 37 against 36.
So in 5 minutes you go get him. No.
Central ball, Central. Third quarter. Inbound ni Romero to Pinitante, Sir Manalo. Makalalad, card by Julian. Pass to Romero. Yes, on Romero, now 38 to 37, 1 point lead, back to Central. Julian, Alba, open jump for 3-point shot, too strong. Rebound in the red shirt.
Get back. Stop looking at the ball. Get back.
Now Makalalad,
Defense. Hintay.
Pinitante. Sir Manalo. Bang! On Manalo, 41 to 37, 4-point lead now on Central. Julian, skate, drive, block, kay Makalalad. To Pinitante. Makalalad. Yes, on Makalalad, now 43 to 37, 6-point lead now. Foul. Foul on number 35 on Makalalad. First team foul against Central. First on Makalalad. Alba, Japs. Air ball. It's Central ball, Central. This is just our first game for our semi-final match, Central versus Panthers. Whoa! Romero! 45 to 37, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 40 to shoot. Modric, drive, escape. Yes, on Modric, 39 to 45. It's 8 minutes.
Hands up. Check the counter.
14 to shoot. Blocked by Modric. Now rebound by Sapo.
Kamay.
Foul.
What do you want me to get?
Foul on Romero. Second team foul on Central. Second personal foul on Romero.
Hey, so.
Say 32.
So.
Why did it? After basket shot, not
He
release.
did the basket.
Not yet. No, second.
Basket substitution there. Basket substitution. Sub substitution.
Nah, we good. It's playoffs.
Stop.
Sub. Manalo out. Penitente.
Aquí atrás tuyo.
Santos. Steve Julian. Julian all the way. Foul.
Good take, Jewel.
Foul on Makalalad. 13 foul on Central. Second personal foul on the agent Makalalad. It's 45 to 40. Forty-five to 41, 4-point lead now on Central. This is our semi-final match, semi-final game. Do or die game. Now 42-45, 3-point lead on Central.
Check the cutter.
Now Penitente. Steal again by Alba.
Dalawa kayo, dalawa.
Time out on Central. It's 44 to 45, 1-point lead on Santos. Right? Pass downside. Whoa! 47 to 46.
Empire sa Caceres.
Huh?
Caceres.
Shot by Caceres. Alba. Top by Modric. Yes, on Modric. 48 to 47.
Sige, big man. Apo, mapap.
Ay, atrás, atrás tuyo.
Bang bang.
Alba.
Take him.
Again. Modric. Yes, on Modric. Now 50 to 47. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Yo.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Manalo! 50 all! It's 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Third quarter. First game, first match on our semi-final match. Do or die game. Julian, 10 to shoot. Alba. 5 to shoot. Modric again. Black. By Caceres. To Manalo.
Good D.
1-on-1 to Julian. Manalo. Santos. Nice pass. Oh! To start with Modric. To Jobs. To Julian. It's 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Black behind by Caceres. To Manalo. Makalalad. Short. Modric again. 4 minutes. Foul.
Sub.
Foul on number 13 on Ramero. Warning for penalty on Central. Substitution left out. Jump out. Teruel in. 50 all. 50. Third personal foul on Ramero. Teruel. Back to Julian. Bang! Bang! Oh, Julian!
Let's go, Julian.
It's 53 to 50, 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Got to.
14 to shoot. Ball. No time tayo. Tapos na tayo. 55 to 50. No time out. Time out to kayo, third quarter. No time out. Already time out. No timeout. Both teams, no timeout.
Push the floor. Push the top floor.
Panthers, one timeout left for Panthers.
Come on, Troy.
Oh, Escaras has 52 to 55. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Only 3-point lead on Panthers.
Dale, dale.
10 to shoot.
Lifting ah.
5.
Shoot that, Julian. There it is.
Continue to them, stop them, stop.
This. Stop.
2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Aquí atrás.
Isole. Santos. Tumanalo.
Dale.
Albat Teruel. Short. Oh! Teruel. 57-52. Santos now. Drive. Santos game. Santos. Yes on Santos. 54 to 57. 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
For the fourth quarter, though, there's only 2 minutes.
Julian can do it. Alba.
10 to shoot. Foul.
Alba.
Foul on Santos.
Wait. Paro, wait.
Hey, he got to shoot it.
Stop, rep, stop.
Let's wait
He
here.
got to shoot it.
Now,
Now central and penalty. Central and penalty.
I need Julian out.
First personal foul on Akay Santos.
Dale por la mano.
No, I need him to I know, that's why I'm giving him 2 minutes right now. So I can have
59 to 54. Now 1 minute and 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Some out. Robin Bellish fouling.
Hey, get the ball out of his hand.
1 minute and 28 seconds.
Ball go like this.
Bro, keep the ball.
Minimum minutes, Mike. What's the time, Mike?
Atakihin niyo, pre!
Pete, up.
Manalo. Now Paru.
Hey, Pete, don't sink back to the ball. Now.
1 minute and 10. Foul. Foul on Pasya. Penalty. Third personal foul on Pasya.
Kasi mapipilit ko ka.
1 minute and 2 seconds.
Get back,
Rebound on Romero.
There you go.
Now Manalo. 55 seconds.
Hey, Pete, up top.
Now Julian. 45 seconds. Manalo. Kiruel. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Bang! Oh, Julian! 23 seconds.
Pinapalit ko eh!
Pete, right there, Pete.
15.
Over, hey, 20.
Bang! On Manalo. 10 seconds.
LSD!
5.
Dale, dale!
And now for third quarter score. 56.
Come on!
Panthers ball. Panthers. Fourth quarter. Now, Julian.
Kanan niya, kakanan niya. Uy,
Oh! Ibanan. The Masterman. Santos.
Defense! Come on, you
Short.
Go, go, go!
Now, Modric. Demon. Foul. Foul on Penetrante. Second personal foul on Penetrante. First on Central. It's 62 to 57.
Lagyan mo nga.
Inhaler! Hey, inhaler!
Sabay isa. Sabay niyo, nagpapalo siya. Baka mabagsak yun. Sige na. Sab.
Ona. Center.
Yeah, you know, you're gonna find a needle in a haystack out there. Where's your bag? He was a shooter. Want me to shoot for him? Where's your bag?
Kaya na ba talaga siya? Hindi na makabalik.
3 minutes.
3 minutes? Tapos minuto sa inyo?
You're done, 3 minutes ha. If you cannot go 3 minutes and you're out of the game, okay?
I can shoot the free throws and sit back down.
No. If you rest in 3 minutes, if you cannot give 3 minutes and you rest. 3 minutes.
Who's shooting?
3 minutes tayo, 3 minutes. 3 minutes nga, kung di siya makabalik 3 minutes, wala na. 3 minutes.
Pilitin, baka mamatay. Cheers, ha?
Lima na pala, punta kaya natin.
Anim na sila, oh.
Yeah, no.
Sino ang sabi?
Yeah.
Sampo.
Hey, he's.
Pero sa una pumasok kanina eh.
53 to 57.
Because they're secret weapons.
Foul.
I've never seen two people together. Tapigin niyo.
Foul on the Masilman Pangilinan. Second team foul on Central. First personal foul on Pangilinan.
Nakakatalon yan. Sa'yo ang kanina yung nakakatalon. Bakit naman?
Nice pass.
14 to shoot, 14. Basket count again and one on Modric.
Hindi, huwag mo kasi yung frame.
Usman rep. Foul on number 8 on Tubong Banwa. 13 foul on Central. Basket sa dito sa rep. Sub. Sub rep, Tubong Banwa out. Penetrante out.
13 foul na. 13.
13 foul on Central. Santos. Touch ball on Panthers. 8 minutes and 46 seconds.
Joey, you up top, yeah.
Hacia atrás.
Move this guy!
One. It's 8 minutes and 20.
Dale, dale.
What? Rolling. 8 minutes and 12. 65 to 57. 8-point lead against Panthers.
How much time left?
Now, Sir Manalo.
Acá atrás, acá atrás.
Yes, on the muscle man. Pangilinan.
Hey, Julian. Use time.
65 to 59. 6-point lead against Panthers is Julian.
Acá, second.
Guarded by Sir Manalo. 14 to shoot.
Go in, Tuan.
It's taken two. Whoa, short.
Three versus one, Julian.
Yes, and goal. 67-59. It's back to 8-point lead against Panthers. Santos. Esquera says yes. 61 to 67. And 7 minutes.
Halfway, Kenneth. What's up?
Now Julian. Guarded by Sir Manalo.
Shoot!
10 to shoot. 10. Foul. Warning for penalty on Central. Sub-rep, sub-rep.
Twine, you need a breather? Come on. Go ahead, Kenny.
Sub-rep, sub.
Matol yung Manalo.
Dale, dale.
10 to shoot. Santos. Steal.
Good D, Julian.
6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Magic, take middle.
Ahí el 9, Julián, está suyo, a tu izquierda. Dale, dale,
Julian.
¿Cómo?
To Modric. Teruel. Back to Modric. Black. May Makalalad. Now Makalalad. Pass. Nice pass. Muscleman! Pangilinan. Now 67-63.
Time out next, Mike.
6 minutes. Julian. Guarded by Makalalad. Julian escape. Julian drive. Julian drive. Foul.
Hey, Red, come on.
Oh, unsportsmanlike foul on Santos.
He got game. He got game now.
Timeout on Panthers.
Got a blood.
What's up, one?
Technical free throw against Shermanalo. 64-69. It's 5 minutes and 54 seconds. 5-point lead on Panthers. This is our semi-final game, semi-final match. Do or die game. Struggling variation, struggling. Struggling variation, struggling.
Baklod, lalay dito, pre. Stay in there. Baklod, angat ka.
Yes, Son Romero, now 3-point lead on the Panthers.
German, you can come back now, ha? Now 3 minutes.
Dale, Juli.
Good tape, baby.
Whoa! Mondre! 5 minutes. 40 to shoot.
Atrás.
10.
Al centro, al centro.
Box out, Twan. Box out, Twan.
Black. Romero. Yes, on Masterman Magdalena, 68 against 271. 3-point lead on Panthers. Go! In out, Makalalad. Manalo. 10 to shoot, 10.
Ulog mo, puhol. Takbo!
Foul. Penalty. Now Central and Pell. Substitution drop sub. It's 71 to 68. Our second game. It's Mechanic Squad versus UAE. Our semi-final match, semi-final game. Second game. Now Makalalad. Manalo. Steal by Teruel.
Easy, easy.
Yes, on Alba, 73 against 68. Back to 5-point lead on Panthers. 16 to shoot, 16. It's 3 minutes and 9 seconds, 16 to shoot.
Dale, dale.
Just run, we're good.
Down on Central, now 75 to 68. 2 minutes and 59 seconds, last quarter, last game, last match. Or Central versus Panthers.
He's gonna come back at 2 minutes. Check.
Makalalad. Huwag ka na papasok sa loob. Sa labas ka na.
Step on him.
Whoa! Romero, 17 to 75.
Tao! Tao!
Lalim, lalim. Lalim. Lalim.
40 to shoot.
Takbo!
Dale, dale, dale.
Come on, Julian.
Box out. Kick out.
What a foul at, bro. Our ball.
Sa atin!
It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Let's get on the backboard. Put it on the backboard.
75 to 70.
Kumba, kumba.
Dale, dale, come on.
1 minute and 56 seconds. Yes, on Romero, 72 to 75.
Time out, time out, time out.
Time out on Panthers.
Help, help, help.
Alba.
Pressure.
1 minute and 40. 40 to shoot. Whoa! Throw!
Defense, don't give up the three. Let's go.
Now 75, 77, 72. 5-point lead on the Panthers. 1 minute and 10. 15. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Foul on number 7 of Julian. First team foul on Panthers. First personal foul against Julian.
Come on, get your ref. Get your ref.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Nah, Alba, stay. Julian, go get it.
73 against 77. This is a semi-final match, semi-final game in Central versus Panthers. Walang timeout tayo kasi ball game yan. Sa'yo yan. Hindi nga. Pag na-shoot nila. 74, 77. No timeout, no timeout.
Stop!
55 seconds, 14 to shoot.
Julian!
10. 5 seconds, foul. Foul on number Santos. Second personal foul on Santos. Third personal foul on Santos. 45 seconds. Both teams have one timeout left. Both teams.
Box out mo shooter, Rod. Alberto na, sa gitna. Applied shooter, ha?
Sa tulak, diba?
Na! Ay! Bilis! Na! Tatlo, dalawa!
Foul. Foul on Tiruel. Second team foul on Panthers. Second team foul. First, sub. Second team foul on Panthers. 39 seconds, 39.
Rebound. Hey, Twan, I need you right now.
Second team foul, second team foul.
Hey, 3-point shooters.
Atras!
Foul.
Content! Hoy, mga sa board, ha?
Foul on number 23 and 12. Two free throw shots coming from Sir Manalo. Two free throw shots given for Sir Manalo. It's 75 against 74 to 77. Basket shot, basket. One time out.
Hey, tawa!
We will use. Basket timeout, ref. Basket timeout. Timeout on Panthers. Panthers have three fouls, 2 fouls to give. Central now on penalty. 37 seconds.
They got a foul.
They have to foul. They have to.
Is that a pick for him? Hey, Alba.
37 seconds.
Penalty na?
Pick for Julian. Is that a pick for him?
Huwag ka magbarat yan, po. Sige muna.
Wala pa!
Ikaw, pansa. Pati na.
30 seconds foul. Foul on number 1 on Sir Manalo, penalty. First personal foul against Sir Manalo, 30 seconds. Two free throw shot to Julian.
May isa pa kaming time. Basket time. Yeah, Julian!
Second day, basket time out there, pa? Basket time out.
Baksaw, baksaw, baksaw!
Time out on Central.
Wait, Mike, how many fouls did you give?
1.
Hey, you got a foul to give. You got a foul to give. Don't. Try to back to shoot. Right here.
30 seconds, 13.
Buka bola ha.
Defense! No foul.
No foul.
Yes, goal!
24. Play the 24.
20 seconds.
Come on!
15. 14 seconds, 14. Foul on Manalo. Second personal foul on Manalo. Penalty. 79 against 77. 14 seconds.
Yes, sir, Julian!
Hey, no three. Pick up the man. Man up.
Man up from now.
14 seconds.
No, Alba behind you.
Lapit mo na isa! Yung bounce!
81 to 77. 14 seconds, 14.
No foul, no foul.
We got a foul.
Black.
Yes, sir!
7 seconds. Foul on Romero. 7 seconds, 7.
Dude, you got ice in your face, boy, when you shoot the free throw.
$82
Hands up. One out.
to 77.
One out. Five, yeah, you're good. 7 seconds.
Yeah, 7 seconds. We're
Don't even inbound. Let them go. Oh, wow.
This game.
And